Right, and any other attribute. No, last name is there. Right of the user, last name is there. So username is definitely username, is there, right? So manager, check if this user has a manager on. So manager also blank, right? So if you try to assign the manager from here, that is not going to work. You should have a proper manager. How I can assign a manager? I'll show that right. So once you pass the display name, simple click on update so I have the display right. So you can choose here, select any manager, but in the real time sometime it won't pick the manager correctly, right? You can either write a query and perform that okay. So how, see here I can select and submit. The manager will get submit right, but most of the time it will not properly update your manager attribute. Okay, how you gonna define them? So simple. If I try to assign this manager right, I need the key of this user. Okay, copy this key. Right now. Let me open a duplicate tab of this one and go to user. Give the username here, okay. Click the user. So once you click the user, what is the user key here, you see. This user key is simple to write, so this is your user key. Now I can update this user as a manager for this user. Okay, so go to Job Control Panel. In the Utility menu we have a Custom Query job. Okay, you see, Execute Custom Query. Just click on it. Already a job is there, or you can add a new job, that's not an issue. So click, go to Action Write, click, Start Write, and it will ask a query for you. What is the query I can give? Update. You just set manager equal to. What is the manager value? I'm trying to set here, the to where user key equal to for which user. I'm trying. So this is the user. I'm trying. What is the user key here? Right, it is 12, so type a simple 12, update users. Set manager equal to where user key equal to 12, so submit it. Okay, check here, does it update it properly? Okay, so the manager came here right. Even you can go here to your job menu and if you open this job. Okay, you will see there is a success also. Okay, it is succeed. Right and click on this job. Okay, it will give the information what query you run. Okay, so now my user have a proper display name. And a manager. Proper manager attribute is there. Okay, so what I can do now? Let me resubmit the request. This request, right. It is always advisable whenever you are processing any request. So let's say this failed right. 'Cause you're manually or automatically, this is not going to process. So it is always advisable to clear a provisioning comment. Okay, why it is advisable? Because there is a retry system. See if the provisioning job is auto set to run every time, right, there is a threshold limit. Let's say for your active break. You have mentioned threshold bus for a failure account is to try 10 times. If it doesn't succeed, right, it will fail, but it will get auto Complete means it won't be stay in pending state, it will go to completed task. And the no action will be taken and the task will get like an autocomplete. That is why, right, whenever you are, even this is error out, right, if I try to process the task. If I try to process this task right and the account suppose got created, but still there will be another provisioning comment, but the error comment will be there. Right, that error comment will lead into, or lead you into it, different things. That means in your audit it can be get captured right there was error and the person who is there right they won't be able to understand why this error is there. If there is error how the account got processed right, so always it is advisable right, you can clear the provisioning comment. How you can clear the provisioning comment right. So I just wanted to show you the use of the custom query in different table, how to delete. That is the only motor right. So this pending task itself, it is a task right and the name is telling task. It is coming from your R's task table right. So I can clear the provisioning comment how you're gonna clear. Right, so this is your task key. Actually copy this task key. Go to your job control panel right again. Go to job control panel. Open the custom query job. Click action. Click start. Right you can write another query. Update R's tasks right set. Provisioning comment. Check the spelling, provisioning comment right. That is true or not. Provisioning comments, okay. Better. You can copy-paste this one, okay, and remove the space. Task key equal to null. We are task key equal to where? Task key equal to give the task head here, okay, 945. And submit it. So if this is error out, it will clearly show you. You know the job didn't run or there is error. It will show you. So custom job, right, custom query. Okay, open this job. And scroll down right. Right, you see, it is succeed right. So now, if I go right. Earlier. The error comment was there right, so it would have cleared. Now just hit enter and the provisioning comment is gone. Now, right now, let's try to process the task again and see what happened. Go to Job Control Panel again. In the utility scroll down. Click on the double S returns again and start it. So give Active Directory demo, show more option, new account write and submit it. So this is the job and click here write. Write. Get the log right. Scroll down and see if you have any error or it processed. Let's go down right. So, as usual is rendered here, so scroll little up, right. So this is your sum of the default query which is trying to run. I think again it got error out right, so some error is okay. So I think still it is throwing the account ID error on null object. So some value still. It is showing is a null for me. Let's scroll above and see. I haven't enjoyed directly where it started actually.